Hi, Wendy here from wendybottrell.com. And today we continue our self-care challenge, and we are discussing why you must start a morning routine for your best life. And so as we continue, um, the morning routine is not only going to help give you an opportunity each day to dedicate yourself, but it really does transform your entire day. So we welcome you back to the self-care challenge, and let's get into it. So start a morning routine. As you continue your journey to better self-care, one of the biggest challenges can be not having enough time. This seems to be a common excuse most adults deal with. While it's true that you already have a full schedule, there's always a way to switch things around and to make improvements. Um, the first way to do this is to consider starting a morning routine. Sorry. So you're not just setting your alarm earlier to give yourself a few minutes, but you're really rethinking how you approach your mornings. If you traditionally have chaotic mornings, it's probably lasts throughout most of the day. To start your day off right, start and consider maybe starting with a new healthy routine. Tips for deciding what to include in your routine. Your morning routine will be just for you. So we can't tell you exactly what to do each morning, but think about what you want to accomplish and what will get you ready for your day. Here are some ideas. Write in a journal for a few minutes every morning. Take a cold shower for heightened energy first thing in the morning. And you may want to look into Wim Hof, W-I-M, second name Hof, H-O-F. He has been sharing information on this for years, and cold showers are very powerful. Wake up a little bit earlier to drink your coffee or tea in peace and quiet. Practice relaxing exercises in the morning. Maybe consider yoga or even getting outside for a morning walk. Oops. Think about this as something you must do every day. When your alarm goes off, do not press the snooze button, and that's simply getting into the practice of not doing that. But begin preparing for your day and stick to your routine so it becomes a practice and a habit. This positive impact, truly the positive impact on your life will be transforming if you give it a try. So that's all we have for today. Tomorrow will be all about canceling. If you can find a few minutes to yourself today, you will immediately notice what impact it makes for you. See you tomorrow. We do appreciate that, there never seems to be as if there's enough hours in the day. But it's so important to make the conscious decision to practice self-care. Taking care of your mind, body, and emotional needs will help you to be able to live your best life. You're your best advocate. If you're not taking care of yourself, it is easy to get burned out by all life's demands. Taking even just 15 minutes a day to yourself to regroup and relax can have a profound impact on your well-being. Self-care really does begin and end with you. We would appreciate hearing from you. Will you accept today's challenge? Share any comments or ideas below. Be sure to get in touch with us and let us know how we can help you. Please like and share if you found value here today. We do invite you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I'm Wendy. You can find out more about us at wendybottrell.com. Bye for now.